sumuko sa liga ng bayan na to.
Hindi kahit ito. Third to the last game for our game day number 3 in Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. It's Pampanga Ultimate Ballers taking on Laguna LBDL Gallants. Baron Mercado covering the action. And this is a good matchup in the under 16 division. As yung kaninang mga nagwagi, very impressive Pampanga Ultimate Ballers. They were led by Edison Jordan, and now Jello Arzola shoots that 3 and it's in. One of the best young players in the country right now. Actually, this talent for Pampanga, a collection of some of the best players here. That one is Eugene Peña. Here's Arzola. Kanina siya yung distributor. Guinness for 3. That is off the mark. Sends it out to Jordan. So you got Edison Jordan knocking down a 3. You got Arzola also shooting a 3. May Sean Felizmania pa yan mamaya off the bench. And that's how deep of a team itong Pampanga. Meanwhile for Laguna, I believe this is my first time covering the squad. Eight to 2 is the score, and still not yet done. This is like an encore performance para dito sa Pampanga as they get everyone involved in this. Let's see if Laguna will not be, rattled behind the back. Extra pass. Sayang yun. A 3-man weave. Just couldn't complete. Arzola kanina medyo passive yung kanyang offensive play. Now, he shoots a 3, I should say, as a Jordan pushes it off. CJ for 2. I see JD Isonela naglalaro dito para sa LBDL Gallants. One of the players na pwede nating abangan for this game as that shot was blocked. 13 to 4. Arzola once again. Nice drop off. And that is just good action. What a find Ginto scoring, and the dishing is Arzola. On the other side, umi-score naman ang Laguna as Jello will have his ball loose right there. (15-6) is our score now. Gonna push the pace. Muntik nang ma-traveling. Goes for that baseline drive, I should say. Di makapasok si Jared De Los Santos. Arzola! Ngayon siya naman na nagpapakita ng opensiba para dito sa kampo ng Pampanga Ultimate Ballers. Kanina nanonood sila dun sa laban ng Fabs in the under 21. Kaya medyo may konting gana itong mga under 16 players. Andre Batan completing that play. (9-17) is the score here. Lamang ng 8 ang Pampanga. Arzola looking to make some plays, looking to direct traffic, gets the screen. Arzola muntik nang mawala ang bola, looking to that pass for Ginto, and now on the chase. Batan fakes and scores. Getting some oohs and ahs on that last one. What a move by Batan. Jordan, balik dito kay Arzola, balik kay Jordan. They gave it to Peña. Jordan again for 3. Magically, ball is in the hands of Eugene Peña. Jordan again on the middle. This time he floats. Couldn't secure that basket. 17-11. 4 minutes 15 dito sa ating opening quarter. Going for that drive, nakawala. De Los Santos breaks down the defense and he takes the ball away on the push. Batan, see you later. (17-15) as Jordan will secure this possession. Peña, usually a very tough player, good post operator, marunong umiscore sa loob, marunong mamasa and to make those plays. (17-15) Menor now at the line. Merong tulak, I believe, on Yambao. 18-15 pa rin ang ating tali dito as yung kalamangan ng Pampanga unti-unting lumiliit habang lumalapit ang pagtatapos ng ating first quarter. De Los Santos, then talk about height there, nadadaan sa diskarte nito ni De Los Santos, yung kanyang mga diskarte sa ilalim. Jared De Los Santos. 2 minutes 37 remaining as they look to swing the action. Went for that scoop layup 18-15. Menor guarded by De Los Santos. Natawagan ng foul itong si Jared. (22-15) pa rin ang ating score. Pampanga with a 5-point lead. De Los Santos pass almost intercepted. Goes for the spin, fakes, and attacks. Di makakakuha ng puntos as Navarez pulls up a jumper right in front of me here. JD Isorena almost scoring on that last one. Sean Felizmania has now been deployed. Isorena, one-hander, masyadong malakas. Menor secures that rebound. Now going to push once again. Yambao sends it out. Cruz decides, drives, almost scoring, and will be shooting two. (22-15). 7-point advantage para dito sa kampo ng Pampanga, as De Los Santos wanting to use this pick. Nice look, di nga lang nakapasok. Turns around and got nowhere. JD on a 3-on-1 break, and that is the two-pointer na kinakailangan ng LBDL Gallants. Final 10 seconds remaining. 22-17. Gonna use this pick. Cruz once again looking to make that play. And that is the end of our opening quarter. Pampanga up by 5. 22-17. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Second quarter action. 22-17. Lamang ang Pampanga ng 5. A solid first 5 minutes para dito sa kampo ng Pampanga, pero ang Laguna making quite a defensive run on that last 5 minutes. That is why they are close. 22-17. And speaking of defense, that steal will result to this possession. Stepping for this 3, and it's in. Dalawa na lang. Lamang dito ng Ultimate Ballers Pampanga. Was impressive on their win earlier as JD Isonera closes the door. As that basket is good and one. Getting that basket in there. Keith Idelan making work on JD. Keith couldn't complete yung kanyang attempt kanina on the free throw area. Balik ang bola ulit dito sa Pampanga. Looking to add more points. 24-20. Arzola and Felizmania. Here is Sean. Almost making that tough layup. Knocks down the first one. Misses both. Let's consider that a follow-up slam. Everyone was shocked on that one. Keith Idelan. Where did that come from? Leak out Arzola. Just rolling in for that. Sean Felizmania makes that layup to go. Rejected by Cruz. 29-20. Lumalayo na naman ang kampo dito ng Pampanga. Lapa is in the corner. Decides to drive. No good. Cruz throws it. Jello wasn't able to catch that because of the solid effort on the side of the Gallants. Getting that stop. Si Kirby Tabilangon as a timeout is called. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa.
Turnover of the timeout. Muntik nang pumasok yung acrobatic layup na yun. Just hits the bottom of the rim. Felizmania secures the rebound once again. Arzola waits for a pick. Slipping down, almost getting that pass to go through. De Los Santos on the drive and scores. How quick is De Los Santos for Laguna LBDL Gallants? As a whistle favoring Laguna as we are nearing the halfway point mark of this game. (29-22). Seven-point advantage. The Discarte on this play. A three on the way. That is off to the left. Solid box out by Pampanga. Gonna push, gonna score. Cruz sends it out. Step 2 for 3 and it's in. By this point, we are just used on how Edison Jordan scores on those 3-point bombs. De Los Santos sends it on the elbow. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Stepping back, shooting, and making. (32-24). As Santino La Pastora makes that basket to go in. 32-24, make that count as Cruz complete that basket. Cruz sinks in yung bonus free throw. 35-24 is our total. De Los Santos gonna push it in this game with 4 minutes 15 remaining. Guys from Laguna looking to score. De Los Santos couldn't make on that one. A 3 won't fall, but pick it up quickly. Nakawala. Hindi nga lang papasok kay De Los Santos as Edison Jordan gonna use yung kanyang speed here as Cruz spins, attacks, and scores. Now Pampanga using their depth in this game. Meanwhile, LBDL Gallants susubukang gamitan ng swerte at sipag dito sa ating laro. And usually, when you are hardworking, just luck just follows you on your day as De Los Santos will pass it, stepping through too strong. Didn't give it on the outside for that 3. Nice pocket pass on that play. Arriving right on time, Kyle Abbas. 39-24. Solid defense by Jordan. Peña throws it. 3-man wave. Finish. Abbas again. And that is a concern now on the side of Laguna. 2 minutes 47 remaining. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugo.
(41-24) jumper from the elbow won't fall. Peña secures that rebound. Arzola and itong si Eugene Peña playing here as stepping on the line. Kitang-kita Edison Jordan. Warning on Edison Jordan, delaying the game. on that previous play. Bit frustrated on what happened. (41-24) ang ating score, and a steal on the other side. Gonna catch it up ay itong si Kyle Abbas. 17-point lead ngayon ang susubukang ibaba ng Laguna as the jumper goes in. (41-26). CJ was turned away. Nice rejection on the other side. That was Arzola protecting the rim. Guinness gives it to Peña. Here's Eugene. Took some extra step itong si Eugene. (41-26). Goes for this drive. Couldn't find the angle. Arzola and Peña nagkakaroon ng discussion. Jello Arzola uses that screen there. Almost a travel on the side of Laguna. Stepping through. Di makakakuha. Isonera with a putback. Arzola sends it in the corner. Jordan for 3. Too strong. Abbas, balik dito kay Arzola. Oh! Buzzer beater. Right on cue. Angelo Arzola. One-legged, no problem. 44-28. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Second half of action as Batan knocks down the first 2 points for either teams dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Cruz misses on that shot. Extra pass, waits for the defense to fly by. And that is 4 straight points on the side of LBDL Gallants. Another stop here by the guys wearing white. Isonera provides that pick. They want to get that ball on the other side. Better tap, a counter steal made here by Laguna. Open, free for 3. Smart play, napatama na lang. sa sapatos that time. JD provides that pick. Esonera once again. Don't look now, a 10-point lead na lang. And for Pampanga, haven't scored. The Eraser does his job well. A solid rim protector is JD Isonera, and a steal. Looking to take this one off. And merong foul na itatawag on Keith on that last play. Six minutes. .7:30 remaining, I should say, as Felizmania passes it down low. Nice reverse on that last one. 46-35. Goes for that pick. De Los Santos attacks, shoots, scores again. Having himself a good game. Itong si De Los Santos. LBDL Gallants playing, I believe, their first game today. Itong Pampanga nanalo kanina against Eastern Samar. And a breakaway on that foul. Dribbling violation daw. Thought that was a whistle, a foul on the side of Pampanga. Our referees saying it is a dribbling violation and another takeaway. Only 2 points so far. Itong Pampanga sa third quarter. De Los Santos scoots his way. 6 minutes 13 remaining. Still, Laguna looking to fight back here.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas
Laguna looks to cut this lead even more after that break, producing successful attempts. Meanwhile for Pampanga, again I believe only scoring 2 points so far, as Isonera just shutting down every passing lane as Chua closes on that attack by De Los Santos. 5:30 remaining. A three, a big one off the mark. Gets that rebound down low. Will send it out. Isonera spins, hangs and shoots. He's like Wembanyama out there, just out hustling everyone, and really the tallest player here. 46-41. Keith Rejected by the eraser. De Los Santos. 1-2 step. Now you see him, now you don't. What a move for that finish. Tabilangon says, tabi ka muna. Pero yon, Felizmania now able to hit yung kanyang mga tira kanina. Only their 4th point of this third quarter, and a steal by Menor. A counter steal by De Los Santos. Here he is, JD Isonera. On offense, just putting the ball in. On defense, just disrupting shots just like that. The anchor of the defense for Laguna. On the other side, sends it Kirby for 2. Leading only by 1. Pampanga had a 17-point lead early. Felizmania attacks. Cannot score. And Laguna will have a shot for the first lead of the ball game. Is this it? Doing it in fashion. What a third quarter para dito sa Laguna. 48-49. Chua rejected again. 49-48. Isonera has been the difference maker, getting points on the offensive end. On defense, just waiting for the right timing. Again, he is the eraser. And with that said, Coach Gao Cabrera has called in the troops. Nick Peña, Jello Arzola, Edison Jordan. 3 players that can change the complexity of this game. Now back in action. Jordan, Arzola having a much productive offensive game. Jello to Edison. Thought about that 3. Door was closed. Using that pick, Jordan for 3. Just getting that basket on the other side. Cruz, extra pass. Finally dropping in. Getting that point to go for a Christian Ginto. 50-49. A 3 by Kirby. Tabilangon couldn't score on that 3, but has made wonderful moves here on the side of LBDL Gallants. A minute 35 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Jello Arzola was tapped on that pass. Jordan for 3. Peña secures that rebound. Sends it out to Edison. Here is Cruz. Natawagan ng foul, Kyle Abas. In the middle of that call, napangiti na lang si Kyle. As the foul favors Laguna, or I should say Pampanga. Laguna ang nadehado dun sa tawag na yon. Final minute into this one. Goes for that drive. Didn't go in. 50-49 ang ating score dito. Nice look. Takes back the lead in the fourth. Or I should say as we head in the fourth. 51-50. Arzola looking to make this defense pay. Ken has a better offensive game today. 10 seconds to go. Jello drops it off. Abbas. Eugene Peña will be called for a traveling violation. Couldn't get them their biggest lead of the game, which is a 3. Nice tap. Maybe this is it. On that cross, fakes, shoots, cannot convert. Jello Arzola beats the buzzer again. Just looks at us smiling. Jello Arzola gives Pampanga a 1-point lead as we enter the fourth.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, kabayad pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
Start of the fourth quarter at bago tayo magsimula, pa-shoutout, may nagpapa-shoutout lang kay Miss Christy Ann Cirillo. Sabi ni Sir Wendell, shoutout daw. Thank you for watching and supporting Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Again, Madam Christy Ann Cirillo. 24-second shot clock violation as we start in the fourth quarter. Last point, courtesy of Jello Arzola. Kanina naka-buzzer beater ng 3 points on the opening quarter. Now on the second, making that last layup shot count. Edison Jordan this time, offhand finish. A minute has passed already. Balik sa 3 ang hinahabol ng Laguna. Again, they got the lead as big as 1 as they look to step through this game. Isonera will lose the possession. Abbas sends it here for Cruz. Bump again, another block by Isonera. Nice pass. Did you see that? Eugene Peña, eyes behind his back, channeling his inner Jokic on that one. 56-51. Nice defense by Jordan. On the run, Arzola fakes that pass. Extra move, Cruz and 1. A smart play by Jello Arzola. (58-51). Cruz looks to complete this 3-point play as he knocks down that free throw. Last second attempt right there with 7:43 remaining. Back at the line, looking to continue yung kanilang atake ng third quarter. Talking about Laguna. Secures that free throw. two-possession ball game. 79-53. Eugene Peña drops it off to Jordan. Edison, balik kay Peña. Cruz stepping through. Knocking down that two-pointer only. A two stepping on the line. As lead is back to 8 points. Going for another attack, JD Isonera. Maybe a bit far on his range, but he has that form to back it up. And yun, nakakuha ng middle jumper on the side of Laguna. Jello almost committing a dribbling violation. Arzola. Jordan, easiest look of the day, missing on that three. A bit of rhythm itong si Edison Jordan in this game. Gets that rebound. It is recovered. Nice pass. Arzola too deep on that contact. Stepping on the line na si Kirby. As we approach the final 6 minutes of this contest. 61-55. Arzola once again. Jello thought about shooting that 3 inches closer. Cruz wanting to shoot that. And now on the run. Nice pass. Better rejection by Cruz. Here's Eugene Peña. Yung kanyang passing lane was intercepted, was bothered. Five minutes 20, jumper off the mark. Now looking to capitalize on this one. De Los Santos once again. Fakes on that 3, goes for that cross, fakes, scoots, di makakakuha. Forwards it. Arzola steps on that 3 and in and out. Thought that was in. Looked it was in. Jordan naman ang susubok. Now that's how you do it. That is how you do it. Edison Jordan knocking down that 3. De Los Santos, that crisp ball shot didn't go in. Arzola attacks, didn't finish. Cruz fakes, rejected by Kirby. Ball was tapped. 64-55. As we have a timeout call, a 9-point lead. Balik sa Laguna ang bola.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Sa nagtatanong po anong next game natin, it will be Zamboanga Harbor Pilot tsaka Leyte Oasis Ballers. Yan ang ating next contest in the under 16. At ang last game natin, Tuguegarao taking on Davao RSGT Boulders. So dalawang under 16. Ito tsaka yung next one, tsaka under 21. As Keith will be fouled on that last play. Misses on that one. Keith Iledan made that follow-up dunk earlier. Ken would consider that one a follow-up dunk. Three minutes 25 remaining dito sa ating third to the final game. As a Batan, Andre had a couple of moments in this game, pulls up from way downtown and hits that one. Balik sa two-possession ball game ang ating contest. Edison, lubabawiin yung tres. Iledan I should say, gets that rebound. Cruz, and it's in. Arzola wanting that three-pointer. Pero sabi ni Cruz, ako naman, gonna shoot that three. Increases the lead here to 9. De Los Santos, balik ulit. Couldn't score that one. Was Regalo, I believe. Now getting this steal. Fakes on that three. Goes on that shot. And it's a miss. So we are nearing the last 2 minutes of our contest. Referees will call a travel. Batan starts off the play 67 to 58. De Los Santos wanting to step through. Fakes, attacks, nice block. Follow-up is good. A minute 40 ang natitira dito. 7-point lead. Still not yet over. Pero si Cruz takes it all the way. Having a good game is Cruz. De Los Santos with a cross, and it's good. Just exchanging baskets left and right. Pampanga and Laguna separated by 7. Jello Arzola. Edison from the corner, and it's good. Just yun, autopilot itong si Edison Jordan hitting a big three with a minute remaining here sa ating laro. De Los Santos spin sandwich. Jordan picks it up. Can hit that transition three if he wants to. Iledan, balik kay Cruz. Edison, a bomb. Missing in action in the last 2 quarters, and now on the third, just shooting his heart out. Itong si Edison Jordan. On the other side naman, nakakuha ng 3-pointer si Batan. Regalo fouls Jordan. So 3 team fouls on Laguna. Final 11.2 seconds. As Arzola puts the ball in. Jello and Pampanga makes it 2-0 in this contest. Meanwhile, Laguna losing today after that wonderful third quarter. Pagpasok nila Arzola, Jordan, balik ang momentum sa Pampanga. Final 2 games to go dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng bayan na to, nagbabago pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior, MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan